Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a kind of small haul.
It's a smaller haul. It's only, what, 13, 15 or something?
Something like that. Admittedly, we have slowed down a bit on sourcing. Summer slowdown, first of all, and second of all, we did a little bit of a, I guess, purge in our house and counted up the items I have in my death pile and the items that I have to be repaired. They're actually to the left of me currently. And I have enough that I really don't need to source, but I still do because it's fun. Anyways, so before I get into the haul, if you guys enjoy reseller content and you like to see hauls, we try to do them as much as we can. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that like button so they know that you like this type of video. And click the notification bell to get notified every time I make a new video. I post new videos every Sunday and Wednesday. And comment down below, let me know what you thought of these items. I know there's at least one brand in here that I'm a little unsure of, so you guys' help is always very much appreciated. So please make sure that you do that and let me know what you guys think.
Yeah.
Anyway, do you want?
I'm Tyler.
I'm Shay. I'm a full-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari. And you're
a part-time seller on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari.
See, everybody loves when you say that.
I know.
And it's wonderful.
Pandering shamelessly.
No, he does a lot for this business, and if you guys watch this channel, you'll see more of that. But
first item. Yeah.
First item is a Free People, I believe, top, and it's upside down. You handed it to me upside down. How rude.
So it's a nice striped cowl neck vest type thing.
Yep, it is a size medium. It is the hang tag. I think I just dropped the price tag, but
yes, you did.
Anyway, it is a cowl neck sweatery thing. It's very hard to show.
It's a vest.
It's a sweater vest.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's hard to kind of show because it would look better on a person. But yeah, it's really cute.
This is BB Dakota.
Oh, this is a rain jacket. Now, I don't always pick up BB Dakota. It's one of those brands of Style Matters, but it was a really good price. It's a black rain jacket. How do you describe this material?
It's kind of like a rubberized vinyl.
Yeah,
and it actually has the tie, which nothing ever has the tie.
Yes, that is true. It has
Ever.
its tie. And yeah, so I mean, I am a sucker for trench coat style things, so I think that might be what drew me to this, but also the weird feeling. Like, so, I mean, this is water repellent.
Yeah, it's going to be water repellent, if not waterproof, given the fact that it's basically rubber.
Yeah, so I mean, if you need a raincoat, hit a girl up.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't say a size for this.
It's a medium.
Is it? Yeah, you're right. It's a size medium. Would you check?
Yeah, I looked at it before
I was like, did you memorize the sizes? Because that's weird.
This is Free People, size small. I actually picked this one up.
You did. And this was actually a good Free People day, I think. I like this because from looking at it, I believe it's pretty form-fitted. And it's perfect for fall with back to school coming up. I think fall things are going to be important. And of course, it has pockets, which is always so important. Another hang tag that could be confused with poof.
Oh, I hate poof.
Same.
This is more Free People.
I told you it was a good Free People day.
Yeah. This is size 4.
Okay. So this one actually does have a little bit of a flaw. It's a zip back, that's why you see a hole here. It's not actually a hole, it's a zipper that we just haven't zippered up. But it's a dress. It has really cute statement sleeves, which I am kind of in love with. But I will show you that on the front here, if you can see, it's, I don't know if it's really showing up on the camera, but it's a little bit coming loose, but my lovely husband believes he can sew that.
Well, it's just a little bit of black thread should get that tightened right back together.
Yeah, and I mean,
you won't even notice.
Yeah, so I mean,
it's got the wonderful embroidery as well.
Yeah, it's really pretty. I think someone's gonna love it, and I couldn't leave it behind just because it needed a little bit of TLC.
This is, I don't even know. Edme and Estelle.
What's the size?
XS, so extra small.
XS. I thought you were gonna say XL. I was like, really?
No, extra small.
You're probably gonna see prices. Remember that the prices on the tag do not reflect what I paid. It's fine. Because they don't reflect, I just don't want people to get confused. But this one's really pretty. I think this is my first time finding this Anthropologie brand. I know that it's on the higher end, but if you know anything about Anthropologie, their tops, while cute, are not their best sellers. But I think this will be really great for summer, so I could not leave something like this.
The dog is going behind the couch.
Yeah, so you might hear some movement because she likes to make noise. And...
This is J. Jill.
Okay,
Large.
let's be real about this. I paid far too much for this dress, okay? We're going to be very honest. I have a number that I stick to with all clothing. I surpassed it with this, and the comps really weren't that high. Here's J. Jill, size large, but it is embroidered on the sleeves.
And you love
beautifully.
everything about it.
It has tassels, and it's like a flowy, long, like I want to stay in the beach all day type dress. And anything that I fall in love with like this sells almost immediately. So
It's not even a dress. Is it a dress or a beach cover? Like a,
well, I would wear it as a dress.
well.
So.
This is
100% lino. That's what it is.
120% lino.
Yeah.
How dare
So
you.
this is a brand that we don't actually know. So it is a size 48, made in Italy. So the reason we originally grabbed it, well, I originally grabbed it because I don't want to blame you for this if it's a bad brand, but was because it says flax on it, which I was not sure if it meant the brand or the material. We have determined that it meant the material. It is button up or button front. I don't actually know the difference. But we did look it up, and it does seem to be a high-end brand retail-wise. Resale value seems questionable. So
I mean, it's got the nice linen feel. It's got the nice
yeah,
tough,
it is 100% linen.
sleeve.
And linen is definitely trendy and great for summer. So I'm hoping that somebody will still love it. It's just, we don't know much about it, so.
This is a Levins's.
Yeah, no, I think this is an older tag.
Probably. Size 4.
Yeah, 11S's, if you can see this. I think this is an older tag. If you guys know, let me know. But it's cute. It's one of those like eccentric type things, which I'm always down for. Like I pick things because they're weird, and well, this is no exception. It's also got like a textured lining.
It's got a
and very large buttons.
embroidered.
Yeah, it's like, oh, and pockets as well, which, you know, important.
This is...
You picked this up.
I did. That's going to be Moulinet Sours.
I think every Moulinet Sours item we have gotten, you've picked up. I believe.
Yeah.
So, it is a size extra small. And it is very, I keep going off to the side, I'm sorry. But very pretty. I don't know if you can really see, but it's like a lace overlay.
Mustard yellow, which is
mustard yellow dress. Yes.
in color.
The fact that you know that.
Yeah, it's an abomination.
But yes, it's very pretty. I think someone will love it. I think the full skirt aspect is good.
So these are Joe's shorts.
Okay, so this brand I have never picked up before. This was actually requested to me by a return shopper and a fellow YouTube watcher, which I love. They are a size...
20.
No, they're size 30. So, I don't know anything about this brand. We just figured we would give it a shot. We'll see how they do, and if you guys know anything, you know what to price these at, anything like that, let me know. I've never tried Joe's jeans, so we'll see.
This is Soft Surroundings, which you always buy, regardless of the price. Size small.
Okay,
so it's an oversized size small.
This is also an item I paid too much for.
Yeah.
But guys, I mean, look at this. It is buttoned down, like a almost like bleached out plaid. Pockets. It's a tunic. It's definitely a long shirt. The last plaid long soft surroundings I had sold within 24 hours. Now, it wasn't exactly the same color as this, but I'm okay with making a little bit less if I know someone's going to fall in love with it. I'm also okay with it if I have to keep it, you know?
This is Magashoni.
Okay. So this is also a brand that I'm a little unsure of. So it's Magashoni size 6. So this brand I previously purchased, and it was M Magashoni, which I learned after I purchased it that was a lower end brand. So I believe that Magashoni is the higher end brand, kind of like St. John and St. John Sport. But I haven't been able to find this particular tag at all. I don't know if it's showing up on the camera. It looks like it's kind of like whiting out. How do I?
Nice.
It's like whiting out. Well, I don't know how to show it because it's just whiting out completely. Anyway, so I don't know if this is actually a good grab or not. It feels very nice. It is a button up. It's a cap sleeve vest type thing.
It's got really nice detailed texture on the outside. It's kind of a embroidered thick material.
I mean, I wouldn't say embroidered, but it's
a textured fabric.
Yeah,
it's
textured fabric for sure. And it's got a lace interior there. So I don't know, but if you know anything about that, if you know that tag particularly, that would be very helpful because I've done a lot of research on this and have had no luck. So
this is the last item.
And then you picked this out.
I did pick
You were
this out.
very proud of yourself.
Yeah, obviously.
He's struggling a little bit, but
I'll
let him show you.
So this is Gun Sacks by Jessica McClintock. It's size 5.
Yeah, so it has the tulle or whatever we call that. I don't sell prom dresses, so I'm not really sure. But it kind of like a full skirt. It's
got
crushed velvet.
It's got the bow.
Yeah, so it's definitely like prom dress style. Vintage, obviously. It is not her typical, so if you don't know anything about gun sacks, the dresses that are going to be worth the most money are the prairie dresses.
That's almost prairie-esque with the ruffles.
It's not prairie, but her vintage dresses do very well, and this is definitely my style of dress. So I'm okay with it not being the typical what you would find because this is what I would have loved to wear to prom. What I wore to prom was an abomination, and I'm sorry for the fact that I did that. But this would be what I would want to wear. So I'm happy with that, and I'm happy that we grabbed it.
I mean, it was a little bit pricier, probably one of the more expensive of the items that we picked up. But
Yeah, so we did pay up for some items in here, but we do feel confident that we'll at least be able to get double the cost. Hopefully, we always shoot for 3 times the cost if you guys are trying to figure out how to price your items. But sometimes I just want somebody to be happy and get what they want, so.
3 cost after the net.
Yes.
So.
Thank you for clarifying.
You're welcome.
Anyway, so that's it. Hopefully we will have another haul video soon. I do want to also let you know that we do have another unboxing coming soon. It is not ThredUp. It is a brand new company that we have not tried yet. It was recommended to us in our comments on one of the last videos that we did, so we are trying it. So make sure that you stay tuned for that if you are looking for online sourcing options. I know a lot of states still aren't opening and some are closing back down again, so you know, we will be doing that. So anyways, anything else you got to say?
No, I think that's it.
Alright, so we will be back very soon with a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We will see you soon.